Namaste everyone. Today we will do the pranayama, the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. The meaning of Nadi Shodhan is to purify all the subtle energy channel. So through this pranayama, we will purify all the nadis which is inside our body. So in human body, there is 72,000 of nadi. So here we will purify all the nadis. So before pranayama, you should practice Nadi Shodhana. So first we have to purify your nadis, then you have to practice the other pranayama. If you do other pranayama before Nadi Shodhana, it will not work properly because your nadi is not purified. And you are doing other pranayama like Surya Vedi, Chandra Vedi, Vastrika. So before other pranayama, you should practice Nadi Shodhana. And before Nadi Shodhana, the Satkarmas, like a Jalaniti, purify the Ida and Pingala. And there is also the other Satkarmas, like woman, Dhauti, and the Sank Prakshalan Kriya, the Lagu Sank Prakshalan and Dirgha Sank Prakshalan. So there is a Satkarmas, so Satkarmas, and then also the Kapalbhati is one of the 6 purification methods. And then after Nadi Shodhan, other pranayama. So how to practice Nadi Shodhan? Step by step. So first step in Nadi Shodhan, we will maintaining the inhalation and exhalation equal. Okay, this is the first step, and we are not holding the breath in first step. And second step, we will make the exhalation longer. Like if your inhalation is 5 count, so exhalation should be double, like 10 count or 8 counts. And then after second step, third step with holding, inhalation 5 count, and then holding the breath for 5 count, and then exhale. So actually when you are holding the breath, your holding is more than exhalation. Like if your inhalation is 5 count, your exhalation is a bit double, and the holding in between is double to the exhalation. If exhalation 10 count, so holding is double is 20. So 20 count you will have to hold. But at the beginning stage, it's hard to hold for 20 counts. Hold as long as you can, like 5 count is minimum. So 5 counts, start with 5 counts. Okay? So now first step is without holding, maintaining the inhalation and exhalation equal. So first sit straight, spine should be straight. And when you're sitting straight in Sukhasana or any comfortable sitting position, make sure you're not leaning forward. So most of the people leaning forward like this and then lengthening the spine. So this is wrong. You're leaning forward, all the pressure goes to the legs. You're blocking the leg muscles. The blood flow is not going to properly because of you're putting the pressure on the hand, on the legs, leg muscles. So what we have to do, just slightly lean back. Observe your sitting bone. Make sure your sitting bone pressing and maintaining the heaviness on your sitting bone. And spine long, shoulders relax. Hands in Chinna Mudra or Jnana Mudra. Through Nadi Shodhan, you will take Nashika Mudra. So Nashika Mudra is this. Placing the thumb on your right nostril. Pinky finger, ring finger on your left nostril, and other 2 fingers on your root of the nose. So this is for the concentration. When you're placing the 2 fingers on your root of the nose, it will help you to concentrate on the third eye. If you're not comfortable with, then you can fold the index finger and middle finger on your root of your thumb and extend your pinky finger and ring finger. This is also Nashika Mudra. So placing your thumb on your right nostril and other 2 fingers on your left nostril. So first open your both nostril. Inhale through your both the nose And close your right nostril. Open your left and exhale through your left, slowly and gradually. Then inhale to the same nostril in left nostril. And close the left nostril. Open your right and exhale through your right, slowly as you can. Then inhale to the right nostril. Close your right nostril, open your left and exhale through your left. So this is one round. Inhale through your left, exhale through your right, inhale through your right and exhale through your left. So this is the one round. The whole process goes like this. So minimum 10 minutes or 5 minutes, or maximum we can do 15 or half an hour. Now second step is exhalation longer. So how to exhale longer than inhalation? You cannot exhale longer with inhalation. So when you're doing exhale slowly and gradually so that you can extend your exhalation. Okay? Again, Nashika mudra. Open your both nostril. Inhale through your both the nose. And close your right nostril and exhale through your left with control. Inhale through your left nostril. And close your both nostril and hold your breath inside. So when you're holding your breath, you can relax your hand and chin close to the chest. It's called Jalandhar Bandha when you're locking your chin. And again, take Nashika mudra and open your right nostril and exhale through your right slowly. Then again, inhale through your right and hold your breath, chin lock. Again, Nashika mudra and exhale through your left nostril. And keep continuing. Now third step is by holding the breath. So same process, inhale through your both nostril and close your right, exhale through your left. Inhale through your left. And hold your breath as long as you can without any effort. And exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Hold your breath. and exhale through your left nostril. And continue. So this is the way to practice Nadi Shodhana. Thank you so much for watching.